The journey of flavor begins in the lush tropical forests of Hainan, where endless groves of betel palms soak up the morning golden sunlight. Nature works its magic here, infusing every fruit with the pure essence of the earth, preparing them for a sophisticated high-tech transformation ahead. Experienced hands carefully select only the finest clusters, ensuring that the raw ingredients meet the highest standards before they ever reach the factory floor. From the fields to the fleet, the transition is seamless as modern logistics bridge the gap between traditional harvesting and cutting-edge industrial processing power. Welcome to the heart of production, a facility where traditional snacks are reimagined through the lens of advanced engineering and absolute precision for global markets. The process ignites as tons of fresh fruit pour into massive intake funnels, beginning their journey through a complex series of automated cleaning and refinement. Step 1 is total purification. High-pressure water systems blast away every speck of dust, ensuring a pristine surface for the next stages of production. Advanced Vortex technology ensures that the cleaning process is thorough, reaching into every fold of the nut's surface to guarantee unmatched food safety standards. Now glistening and clean, the fruits march toward the digital brain of the factory, where every single unit will be judged for its perfection. Artificial intelligence takes the lead. High-speed cameras scan every fruit in milliseconds, analyzing size, shape, and skin quality with incredible mathematical precision. The system leaves nothing to chance, identifying even the smallest scars or irregularities that the human eye might miss during a traditional sorting process. With lightning speed, air-powered robotic arms eject any subpar fruit, ensuring that only the most uniform and high-quality betel nuts move forward. Safety is paramount. A bath of ultraviolet light eliminates all microbial life, preparing the clean fruit for the high-temperature softening process that follows next. This sterile environment is the foundation of quality, bridging the gap between raw nature and a safe, delicious consumer product ready for the world. The transformation continues in massive pressure vessels, where the tough exterior of the nut begins to yield to the power of controlled heat and steam. Under extreme pressure, steam penetrates the dense fibers, breaking down the rigidity to create the signature chewy texture that fans of the snack crave. Witness the change in character as the vibrant green fades into a rich, earthy brown, signifying that the internal structure has been perfectly softened. The softened nuts are then carefully arranged on wide industrial trays, ready to enter the precisely controlled environment of the high-speed drying tunnels. Inside the tunnel, a steady flow of convection heat begins the delicate process of removing moisture while preserving the integrity of the natural flavors. Every degree of temperature is monitored by sensors, ensuring the nuts develop that perfect slight wrinkle on the surface and the ideal internal moisture level. The result is a product with a perfect balance of density and give, a masterpiece of thermal engineering that prepares the nut for precision cutting. Human expertise meets machine precision as technicians verify the results, ensuring that every batch meets the strict specifications for the perfect chewy candy base. The finished bases are now ready for the most intricate part of the journey, moving toward the sharpest blades in the food processing industry. Precision is the name of the game. These ultra-sharp, food-grade steel blades are designed to slice through the fruit with surgical accuracy and speed. In a fraction of a second, the nut is split in two, creating a clean and smooth cut that defines the final shape of the candy. This level of consistency is only possible through high-speed automation, ensuring that every piece provides the exact same mouthfeel and experience for the consumer. Next, the automated pitting system takes over. The hard central seeds are removed, leaving behind only the desirable, boat-shaped outer shell for flavor infusion. The discarded seeds are collected for secondary use, while the prime shells move forward to receive the secret blends of spices and sweet syrups. A final sifting ensures that only whole, perfect halves remain. Any fragments or dust are filtered out, maintaining the premium presentation of the final product. The sight of thousands of perfectly uniform shells is a testament to the power of modern manufacturing and the pursuit of culinary perfection at scale. These empty vessels are now ready for the most important part of the process: the infusion of the secret flavors that define this Chinese specialty. In this pristine industrial landscape, technology and tradition merge to transform a simple forest fruit into a sophisticated treat enjoyed by millions every day. Now comes the soul of the candy. Huge vats churn a complex blend of aromatic syrups, cooling mint, and traditional medicinal herbs for hours. This concentrated essence is the result of years of recipe refinement, designed to deliver a multi-layered flavor profile that hits the palate with intensity. The shells are submerged in this flavorful bath, where the porous fibers act like a sponge, absorbing every drop of the rich, sweet, and spicy liquid. A specialized tumbling process ensures total coverage, massaging the flavor deep into the nut while maintaining a glossy, attractive sheen on the outside surface. Innovation takes center stage with precision injection. Each piece receives a perfectly measured core of sweet maltose or creamy spice paste for an extra burst. This hidden heart of the candy provides a delightful contrast in texture and taste, turning a simple chew into a complex, multi-stage culinary experience. As the syrup cools and sets, the candy takes on its final glass-like luster, locking in the moisture and the intense aromas for long-lasting freshness. The cooling phase is critical for the final texture, ensuring the outer layer becomes just firm enough to handle while remaining tender on the inside. From a distance, the finished products look like polished gems, each one a perfect representation of the harmony between high technology and ancient taste. Quality is checked at every turn, ensuring that the flavor, color, and shine meet the high expectations of the modern, discerning snack consumer. The packaging line is a blur of motion. High-speed robotics handle each delicate piece, placing them into individual protective pouches at an incredible rate. Vacuum sealing technology removes all oxygen, ensuring that the candy remains as fresh and flavorful as the moment it left the flavoring vat. Individual portions are then bundled into vibrant, retail-ready packaging, designed to catch the eye on store shelves from Shanghai to San Francisco. Total safety is guaranteed by industrial X-ray scanners, which check for any microscopic foreign objects, ensuring that every bag is 100% safe for consumption. Precision extends to the final weight. Automated scales ensure that every customer receives exactly what they paid for, maintaining the brand's integrity and trust. Palletized and ready, the product is prepared for its final journey, moved by tireless robotic arms into the staging area for global distribution. This massive scale of operation ensures that the taste of traditional Chinese betel nut candy is available to enthusiasts all over the world. As the day ends, the shipping containers are sealed, carrying the result of hours of high-tech craftsmanship to markets across the entire globe. Finally, the moment of truth. The package is opened, revealing the perfectly crafted candy, ready to deliver its unique and powerful burst of flavor. Just look at those layers of texture and taste. A true masterpiece of modern food science that honors an ancient tradition in every single bite. From the green forest to the modern palate, this is the perfect fusion of nature, technology, and the timeless art of Chinese culinary excellence.